Tuna pasta with garlic and olive oil ingredients serves 2-3. Spaghetti or any pasta, 250 g canned tuna in olive oil, 1 can drained garlic, 4 cloves finely sliced, extra virgin olive oil, 3 TBSP red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon, optional for mild heat, lemon zest, 1 teaspoon fresh parsley, 2 TBSP chopped salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Step-by-step preparation 1. Cook pasta. Boil spaghetti in salted water until al dente. Reserve 1/2 cup of pasta water before draining. 2. Sauté garlic. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add garlic slices and sauté until golden. 3. Add tuna. Stir in the drained tuna and cook for 1-2 minutes to absorb flavors. 4. Season. Add chili flakes, salt, and black pepper. 5. Combine. Toss the cooked pasta into the pan with tuna. Add reserved pasta water, as needed, to create a light sauce. 6. Finish. Add lemon zest and parsley. Mix well. 7. Serve hot. Plate the pasta and drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil before serving. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.